So, Rihanna, you've heard her music, you've seen her makeup line, and she continues to rise, not just in the music industry, but also her entrepreneurship. Late last year, she boomed with her makeup line, Fenty Beauty. Now, rumor has it that she's working to launch her own lingerie line, something I'd love to see. It is speculated that the plans for the lingerie line are already under development. Rihanna has several ventures in business, and this project would just add to the numerous successful empires the singer's already built. So she is probably looking about rivaling Victoria's Secret. So that's something I want to see. If she has, like Victoria's Secret have their runway models, I'd love for her to...
what?
Do a Caribbean version.
And have what?
Caribbean models on runway.
No wings though.
No wings. We don't need wings. Even if it's in Barbados, I'd fly down just to...
I'm tell you, that girl know how to make money.
Yes.
That means she know how to make money.
You know why?
She has used her status and she no business with nobody wants to say about her.
You know why?
She just do her thing and make
You know
money.
why? She's Caribbean. That's what Caribbean people do.
We know for hustle.
Yeah, man. It's
a
hustling.
true thing, man. It's a
hustling.
hustling thing. But big up yourself, Riri.
Please
you
don't
know,
make them expensive. Come on.
If you do that, I know that there are a few people out there, like my manager. She said Rihanna is the smartest woman on the planet. So you know, so she got have two of that. Although, I mean, what are they going to be made of? Just complete share, because I mean, Rihanna don't really wear much clothes on a regular anyway. That's why you're looking forward to it.
Ooh, Lord. She does
I
not.
can't manage it. Anyway, Danny Star quits after being ambushed on air after her co-hosts brought on a nanny who she refused to hire for being too pretty. Excuse now.
Supposed to do something like that to you.
Let me be realistic now. There are some women who are who have a level of insecurity. No, I'm trying to say it properly so that everybody will name off my head like how them name off my head last week.
Just say
a level of insecurity when it comes on to their other half. So they're very careful about the females that they invite into their home. And sometimes it's not just insecurity. Sometimes maybe the man have a history of doing a certain thing. Sometimes it's just, you don't trust the person, whatever it is. Maybe she have her reasons. Always is everybody's business if she decides that, you know what, I had that person, then because the person cheats.
And for her husband had cheated with a stripper.
Yeah. So what the problem?
Had an outside baby, so...
What the problem? If the woman don't want I had the woman because she's pretty.
And I think her co-hosts were out of line for
yeah,
that.
Man, of course.
You put somebody else like that.
I would never do that to you.
Yeah, I would never do that, yeah. Big up
yourself. And big up your significant other. I'd never do that.
I
would never do that.
No.
That is outer line. No, don't do that. That's not cool. That's not cool. Let me tell you, when I was younger, it was a good thing I'm a different person now that I've grown.
When you're younger?
When I was younger.
Much younger.
If me did hire somebody, me did have a husband. Back in the day, we could have tell us about I want a nanny with a mash mouth, and she had to be like 60 and not near. And I have to look so. Before I make her come here, my husband.
You know, Saki, someone in business, you know. She could have not me
I'm just saying, it's a level of maturity. It's maybe the history of the relationship. It's a whole lot of different things. So, who are we to judge about why the woman never want her? And co-hosts, shame on you.
You have to respect people.
Shame on you. That's none of your business. That's it for trending topics this morning.